Good morning, Damien Egan from Ocean Protect. Here we are in southeast Melbourne. It's Frederick Wachter Reserve on a beautiful rainy day. And what do you do on a rainy day when you're in stormwater? You grab your gear and you head straight out. So while you're sitting nice and warm and home in comfort, I've come out here to show you the operation of the OceanSave Gross Pollutant Trap, which has been installed prior to the wetlands. And this is doing a great job of catching those raw pollutants before they get into that lovely City of Greater Dandenong's done a great job there. So if we look inside the system at the moment, you can see that the incoming flow is thrust into the treatment chamber, and it's kept a velocity across the face of that screen, and that is called indirect screening. Now, indirect screening is, in our view, the best GPT practice that's available. Quite different to direct screening in that way. With indirect screening, you're keeping the screen clear, most important. So we've got continue to maintain a high treatable flow rate with the pollutants that are inside the system.